The crypto market is bracing for impact to Trump's massive 100% China tariffs just went live. Bitcoin is clinging to $110,000, and the next few weeks could reshape the entire crypto landscape. Stay with me, because what's coming between now and early 2026 could trigger the biggest shake-up we've seen all year. Welcome back to the Crypto Loop, your go-to channel for fast, sharp, and reliable crypto insights. If you want to stay ahead of market trends and regulatory moves before they hit the headlines, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because this week, things are heating up fast. Trump's 100% tariffs on Chinese imports officially take effect on November 1, 2025, pushing U.S.-China trade tensions to a boiling point just a few weeks earlier. The October 10th announcement wiped out $19 billion in crypto value overnight. Bitcoin fell 12% to $110,000, while altcoins nosedived between 20% and 40% as investors rushed for safety. The takeaway: markets are fragile, and liquidity is thin. If global risk assets get rattled again, volatility in crypto could explode. Keep a close eye on Bitcoin's $110,000 support and watch those altcoin order books for signs of stress. Next up, all eyes are on November 14, 2025, when the SEC faces its deadline on Franklin Templeton's $1.5 trillion spot XRP ETF proposal. This could be a game changer. If approved, it would cement XRP's status as a regulated, institutional-grade asset, potentially igniting demand across the entire altcoin ETF space. But if it's denied, XRP's price near $2.33 could come under serious pressure. Then comes Ethereum's Fusoc upgrade, set to launch on December 3, 2025. This upgrade introduces PeerDAs, an innovation that boosts blob capacity eightfold and slashes layer-to-transaction costs by nearly 90%, with testnets already showing 99% validator participation. The network looks ready and investors know it. ETH's current $3,727 price could swing sharply based on how smoothly this upgrade rolls out. If successful, it could supercharge institutional adoption of DeFi in 2026. Now let's fast forward to March 27, 2026, the next big SEC decision wave. That's when the Commission must rule on 91 crypto ETF applications, covering 24 different tokens. Galaxy Digital says only a dozen assets, names like SOL and DOG, meet the fast-track criteria. If the SEC greenlights a broad batch of these ETFs, we could see $5 to $7 billion in new inflows. But if they slam the brakes, altcoin momentum might stall hard. Keep an eye on the SEC's evolving stance around commodity-based trust rules. That's where the narrative is heading. And finally, the U.S. House has dubbed July 14 to 18, 2026 as Crypto Week, a 5-day window packed with potential legislative milestones. Lawmakers will vote on the Clarity Act defining SEC versus CFTC authority, the Anti-CBDC Act, and the Genius Act, which would hand stablecoin regulation over to individual states. If these pass, it could mark a huge leap toward clearer crypto rules in the U.S. But with partisan gridlock still looming, expect volatility to track the crypto's social sentiment closely. So, here's where things stand. The short-term outlook looks bullish to neutral, but volatility risk is real. The tariff implementation is the immediate test for Bitcoin's $110,000 floor. Then the XRP ETF decision and Ethereum's Fusoc upgrade could inject new momentum into altcoins through December. Beyond that, 2026's legislative and ETF milestones could reshape how the market operates entirely. Keep an eye on ETF flows and leverage ratios. Open interest still sits around $888 billion, signaling heavy speculative positioning. Translation: one big catalyst could move the market fast. If you found this update valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps the Crypto Loop reach more investors like you who want clarity in the chaos. Stay smart, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next one right here on the Crypto Loop.